So hello and good afternoon. This is Ruth Boswell from Curbal.com, and it is time again for another DAX Fridays. In today's video we are going to talk about a function that I actually didn't know about, and is called fixed. And fixed will allow you to convert a number to a text and allow you to format it as a text. Oh yes, and a number also, so you can control decimals and thousands, and I'll show you in a second. So let's get started. Okay, so here's my example. It's very simple. You have a table with months and with sales. And with sales, I have here a few numbers. I have one with 0 decimals, or 1 decimal 0, 1.2, 1.6. And what we're going to do is we're going to use this fixed function to convert these to a text, but to keep the number formatting. So let me show you. We write fixed, and we're going to do a few trials on that. So we write fixed and then sales, and now it says that it rounds a number to specify number of decimals and returns the result as text with optional commas. So in this case, we're not going to add anything else. We just want to have exactly this value as text. If you don't specify anything here, you will actually have by default 2 decimals, which is what we are seeing here. So if we go to the fixed function documentation, we can see that exactly what we saw on the DAX intelligence. You have here you write the number, here you specify the number of decimals, and here you specify if you want a comma, like the 1000 comma or not. So let's go back and try out those options. Let's do a new calculated column, fixed 2. And now we are going to adjust the number of decimals. Say we don't want any decimal, please. So, and then you get the same number without decimals. Let's do another run. Fixed 3. Fixed. And now we have again our column sales, and we say we don't want to have the 1000 separator, this one. So it says on the documentation that if you don't want to have it, what you have to write here is 1, okay? And as you can see, it doesn't remove it. I don't know why. It literally says it here. It says, if 1, do not display commas. If 0 or omitted, the commas will be returned. Well, I can say that doesn't work here. So as you can see here, omitted is equal to 0. Like if I had a 0 here, and of course the 1000 separator is there, but in here when I write 1, it just ignores it totally. So this must be a bug or something. I don't know. Something else that the documentation says, let's go for it. Fixed 4. Fixed there, and we have again our sales column. We want 0 decimals. No, sorry, we want -1 decimals, and then it doesn't matter what we write there because it ignores. So you see what that does? So it removes the decimals and it rounds down to the latest decimal. So this becomes 120 and this becomes 330. So that is useful also if you need to do that for any reason. So this is a little function that could be quite useful in certain scenarios. And besides for the error, I will try to contact Microsoft and tell them that they should look into that. Or maybe it's just my Power BI, I don't know, just try and let me know if it works for you. But yeah, it's like a little cool function that can be very useful when you're trying to convert number to text. So this is all for today. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, another DAX Friday is done. Let's hope you have a great weekend. For those of you that are starting the weekend, I know not everybody starts a weekend on Fridays. If you liked the video, as always, let me know with a big thumbs up, or share it with somebody that you think should also know about this function. And if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. I publish Power BI videos 3 times a week, so hit the bell to receive notifications when I do. Nothing more from me, just take care and have a great weekend. Bye!